What's up, guys? This is Antidotetv. Welcome to another episode. We're gonna work on a car. Rolling deep, baby.
We didn't even say what we're working on. What are we doing?
This is a Z. We got this at a takeover event.
We did.
All right, let's see.
We won it on a backyard baccarat table.
Yep.
This is not just a Z. This is the free kitty Z.
Hold up.
Alright, I'm good. How's the other one look? DJ, how's the other one look?
Red. It's still on there.
It's good. Like right
Yeah, is it good?
I'm gonna move it a little bit.
Whoa, the car moved a little bit.
More like a lot. You can't see. Watch this KBD sponsorship ad. You ready? Ready? Ready for the KBD sponsorship ad?
Yeah,
Right.
send us stuff.
Yeah. No, we don't. We'll buy it.
Oh, we are sponsored?
Yeah, we're sponsored. We paid for it.
We sponsored them.
Yeah, because Irvin's got like nothing but bars, so it's like he shouldn't need to give us anything.
Oh, he got bars.
He does. You don't see his Facebook post?
Like he raps?
And his oh no. We're gonna have to pull it up. All right, ready? Yeah, perfect. Perfect. See it? Yeah.
Here, Mike, take this and tell the nice people what you're doing down there and what it looks like.
Not everybody is nice. Some people are very.
Let them know what you're doing.
Uh-oh. Did he just put you on blast?
We did.
Did he just put you on blast? On today's episode, we're going to be pulling out the whole car. The whole thing. It's more of a 15 than a 16,
So it could
but
be-
less
it could
of
be
a
in
14
between.
than a 15.
It might be
Here.
not a millimeter.
Here, give me the camera, I'll show you.
It might be not a millimeter.
Give me the camera, I'll show you. Oh my gosh, it almost smoked it on the dip.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry, we're doing some flips here. Alright. Look, check me out. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
Oh, it's hot.
I don't really know what I'm doing, honestly. Here you go.
All the way under.
Oh no, I broke it. No, it's good. It's fine.
So 14 on the back.
Here you go. Put this right there. This
That works.
is gonna take longer than it usually does because we're doing it, and we're not mechanically inclined whatsoever. All right. Shout out to Nick Blakeman.
15 wrench. DJ, can you reach a 17 wrench in that toolbox?
DJ is behind the camera.
Or wait, Connor's got a 17 socket.
Do I?
Never mind. Yeah, 17 wrench.
I got a 15.
Where are the wrenches?
Bottom drawer. I lied. Top drawer.
I need a crescent wrench.
Cool.
I need an adjustable wrench.
Cool.
You need a 17?
Those don't come on.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
No?
Oh, what's that?
Oh, I thought you bought this back.
Yeah.
That's gonna be interesting.
It's this back.
So this is the problem, though. This is the problem.
17?
This is too, though.
Yeah, I don't know if those
Here's
really
two
anymore.
17s.
Yeah, well, yeah, that is a problem. I just gotta get those too.
I like this little short 17 you got.
Yeah, that'd be a 5.
You got one right
Hey,
here.
don't curse, because then we gotta edit it out.
He said bit.
Hey DJ.
Yep.
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Could you get me I forgot.
One eternity later.
Oh, could you give me a pair of gloves?
Yeah.
I don't want to get my hands dirty. I have to go to treatment tomorrow, and I know they're gonna be mad that I was working on a car anyway.
Gonna be all aggro.
Yeah, I just should be a little bit clean.
Still got some meat on these tires.
Little?
A little bit.
That's like 2 laps of Connor
For
driving.
sure.
Hey, it's
I could probably get about 10 out of them.
No, I could get 10 out of them.
Insert video of Connor driving.
Chill. I don't think there's any proof of me driving, so. Yours is out. Ah!
Oh wait,
It's still hot.
DJ, I need one more thing.
Still hot.
A Phillips screwdriver.
Alright. Oh my god, it's still hot.
What's that?
The exhaust.
The exhaust?
I just grabbed. DJ, we need to change the camera angle so it looks like we did more than we really did far. Oh no, we gotta take this off.
See?
You got a full exhaust?
Damn, dog!
I wonder if that is.
No, look at this one. This one's doing it, but I don't. Let me see. Bruh. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Maybe they're not. Maybe they are. We need a light.
They supposed to do that?
I don't know. They got flex in them. But my thing is then we can just do that, right? Shouldn't we be able to?
Yeah. Well, I think what it was, the way that this was mounted was pushing it. I mean, it wasn't. It was letting it sag.
All right, start it up. This guy. Always somebody got to be inappropriate. Damn, you put the crack on this screen?
Damn.
Yeah, I dropped it when I was filming the time lapse in the garage when I was cleaning the garage.
Jeez.
It was
Want me to go see what that is?
yeah. It was
It's your wife. It's your wife. It's your wife. Here. Answer it quick.
Hello. CVS.
We'll be back.
CVS. Pliers.
Use your words. What is it?
Pliers.
Where are they at? What color?
Like plies with the R. Shout it.
dude, this thing is nice.
You could have said that the first one.
Where'd you get this?
Do you want the ones that will like hurt your fingers?
Yeah, the biggest ones.
Okay. That's these, right?
Oh, got it. Oh, these are little ones.
What?
This might still work.
Where's the big ones? Oh, you put a flathead in there, Mike.
What does that do?
You can like put it in there and then like twist it off. Yeah, that should be fun.
Whoop, whoop.
Watch your head.
I'm surprised I'm able to fit under it.
I know. The circumference distribution from your forehead to the ground to the top of the car is not very good. Like when we went to K1 and they were like, "You have a helmet?" I'm like,
LOL.
"Y'all definitely don't have one for him."
Look at that, dude.
Got it?
That was like you had lube on.
All right, your
Well,
turn.
I knew that was coming.
You gotta do the back.
That was coming.
This one just slides out this way. Just like that. You could have lost your exhaust so easily, bro.
Like socks on a rooster. sound like?
What? Is that why it's called a watt? Because it make that sound, or were you just being funny?
Nah.
Want to give Luis a shout out for this alignment.
Yeah. Baby's wearing nice and
perfect. Perfect. All right, we're ready in 3, 2, 1. Yes, your 350Z can sound worse than it already does. Give her a goose. Woo-hoo! Oh yeah, I like it. Insert Patrick Starr walking in to band and and the parked car meme. Insert the parked car meme.
Whoever's the owner of the white sedan, you left your lights on.
Here's a little update for you guys. Yesterday we took the exhaust off of the Z here, and it was the old exhaust. It had a couple of holes in it. Here it is here. And we, since Connor's not here today, Connor's going to get his treatment today. Mike and I are going to be putting this beauty on, the Z. See, we had a little bit of exhaust leak possibly going on. So out with the old, in with the new.
I don't like how it sits on that cross though.
It does feel like it should be a little higher.
Well, we can deal with that later.
hot. It's too hot for this. We're gonna go take the Z for a test ride and get Mike's reaction to his new exhaust and see if he likes it or not. I hope he likes his new exhaust. Alright, it's raining, but I've been driving the Z. I drove the Z for the past 2 days. One with the exhaust leak, one, well, you'll see the leak. And this is with the new exhaust on it. It actually sounds great. It doesn't even sound like the 350Z watch. Okay, it actually does sound like a 350Z, but we knew that was going to happen, right? Definitely will piss your grandma off at 8 in the morning if you're trying to leave for work. So think about that. Let's go look at the old exhaust. Got to show them the old one. We got a little issue there. Got a couple issues in the test pipe, but we're gonna get that handled. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel because it puts food on our table because we don't have real jobs. See you guys on the next one.